Today, we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 7-foot wide, 18,000-pound bumper pull dump trailer. This particular model is available in a 12-foot, 14-foot, 16-foot, and 18-foot length. Now, we're going to start up front and work our way to the back. Up front, we have a forged 4-hole adjustable coupler that allows you to adjust the height of your trailer to ensure that your trailer rides level going down the road. Behind the coupler is a heavy 8-inch channel tongue. Now, most people in the industry use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we believe that 8-inch provides more strength and stability. Next, we have a 7,000-pound drop leg jack that makes for easy connecting and disconnecting of your trailer. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on this trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. On the tongue of the trailer, you'll find the heavy-duty locking steel pump box. Inside the box is a high-capacity deep cycle marine-grade battery and the electric over hydraulic pump, which comes with a standard 15-foot corded remote. Now, the hydraulic system is power up and uses gravity to come back down. This conserves battery life for more dump cycles. Another important standard feature on this trailer is the onboard 5-amp battery tester and charger. Just push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, simply lift the weatherproof cover on the front of the box and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to recharge the battery. Once a full charge is detected, the charger will turn off and not overcharge the battery. Note that we use a larger 5-amp charger as standard equipment on all of our dump trailers. This gives you a faster charging time than the 3.5-amp chargers used by most other trailers in the industry. Now, walking around to the side of a trailer, let's start with the main frame, which is 8-inch heavy wall tubing. This makes for a stronger and stiffer main frame than a channel iron frame often used by other manufacturers. The hoist system on the trailer is our new trunnion mount cylinder system, which is the same used on large dump trucks. We've found the trunnion mount system makes for the lightest trailer weight and hands down the most pushing power. So that's why we made it the standard hoist system on our medium dump trailers. The standard size of the trailer come in 24 inches tall, but you have the option of 3-foot, 4-foot, or even higher sides if you choose. Now, this model also comes with flared size standard, which many others charge for as an option. The flared sides increase the cubic capacity of the trailer. The top rail on the sides are made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve integrity even under severe use. Also on the rails, you have stake pockets standard, so that you can raise the side height if you wish. Now, for running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get in a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-lug high-grade steel wheels. There's also an optional mounted spare tire and wheel available that is mounted to the side of a trailer. It's out of the way, yet easily accessible. Now, around to the back of a trailer, the first thing you notice is the standard barn doors, which open and latch back to allow you to easily load equipment with the optional 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps. We also offer aluminum ramps as an upgrade, which are just as strong as steel, only half the weight. Now, the inside bed width of this model at the bottom is about 82 inches wide. Also standard on this model are 4 D-rings welded solidly into the floor to allow you to secure any equipment you transport in your trailer. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then, each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. Now, the last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. Hey, we appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 18,000-pound, 7-foot wide bumper pull dump trailer. Thanks for watching.